may kuryente ka pa rin kahit mag-power outage, kahit mag-brownout pa yan, at kahit nasa gabi. Kaya mas tipid talaga.
Yung electricity is pataas na siya ng pataas.
If I install this inverter at home, it means no more power outages. Like, Hi there mga ka-best finds! Familiar ba sa inyo yung gantong senaryo? Yung bigla na lang mamamatay yung electric fan nyo, tapos kainit-init yung aircon nyo, biglang namatay, pati na rin yung ref nyo. Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, sobrang init na talaga ng panahon. And aminin natin, grabe talaga ang taas ng electricity. Isa talaga yon sa mga inaangal natin. Hindi pa natin sinasama dyan yung mga brownout na nangyayari. Meron kayang solar system na pwedeng gamitin ng mga simpleng bahay katulad natin. Yung something reliable, tapos madali lang gamitin. Kaya nung mabalitaan ko ka-Best Finds na meron daw ginaganap na Solar and Storage Live Philippines Expo sa Manila ngayon, excited akong puntahan. Kaya samahan niyo ako sa vlog na to mga ka-Best Finds. Pupuntahan natin yung expo na yon at tingnan natin kung makakahanap tayo doon ng solar system na pwede natin gamitin sa ating mga tahanan. Yung bang family-friendly and easy to use. Naman kuya, kumusta yung bill mo sa Meralco ngayong buwan?
Ay, malaki ma'am ang kon namin. Kasi nag-ano kami ng aircon.
Nabot ng bill mo.
5,000 plus ma'am.
So ikaw din ba nangangarap na mapababa mo yung bill mo ng
O
kuryente?
sana nga ma'am.
Ano ang nag-udyok sa'yo para bisitahin din tong Solar and Storage Live Philippines?
Actually, nag-i-inquire ako kasi ngayon, yung electricity is pataas na siya ng pataas. So,
Osyoso lang ako, magkano ang electric bill mo ngayong buwan?
11,000.
11,000! My gosh!
Iisip ko rin po kapag bumabagyo, malaki yung chances na mawalan tayo ng kuryente. So, ayun, nandito lang po ako para tumingin-tingin.
Yes, kami rin. Para maghanap ng isang stress-free na solution sa mga problema talaga natin sa kuryente. Yun nga mga ka-best finds, diba? It turns out na hindi lang pala tayo yung nafo-frustrate sa patuloy na pagtaas ng ating mga bills sa kuryente at sa mga brownout na nangyayari sa ating mga lugar. Kaya ngayon talaga excited na akong pasukin itong Solar and Storage Live Philippines Expo. Hindi bilang tech expert pero bilang isang curious homeowner din na naghahanap ng practical tapos stress-free na option. Sana makakita tayo sa loob. Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako mga ka-best friend. Ayan mga ka-best finds, here with us is Mr. Kimmy. He's the resident sales manager of Sungrow here in the Philippines.
Hello everyone. Hello Mrs.
Okay, and he will introduce us to the latest solar inverter in the market today.
Yeah.
So I would just like to ask, if I install this inverter at home, it means no more power outages? Like, I can use my aircon and refrigerators even when power cuts?
Yes, of course, Miss. Actually, we know Philippines there are sometimes it's bad weather and also sometimes the grid is not stable. So when the grid is fault, the system support on the full home backup. It can support the change from on-grid to off-grid within 4 milliseconds, very fast. So the end user we call it a seamless switch. So
Seamless.
yeah, so every your loads will work normal. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay. But I'm not an engineer. So if I install this, will it be so complicated? How's that?
Yeah,
Will
it
be
is a
easy?
good question. Also, it is a very big concern for the end user. Firstly, our model or more system is very easily for installation and operation. And as we doing the actual testing for the full installation, you can finish it within 30 minutes. And also,
in 30 minutes, I can do the installation of this one? Oh, wow.
installation commissioning, you can finish it.
Wouldn't it disturb my household? Is it noisy when I install it at home?
Yeah, this is also another big concern for clients. Actual for the noise, it is only around 35 decibel. Yeah.
35 decibels, so
Yes.
hindi na lang yun.
Yes. So just like your air conditioner in your home, it is
Yeah.
very required. Yeah.
Oh, Oh, that's nice. I'm so excited with this, mga ka-best finds. Pero ito yung latest na inverter. This is the latest one, right?
Yes. For now, we have this model. We have 5 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt here, and in the third quarter, we will have 8 kilowatt and 10 kilowatt new model.
Okay, so is this compatible with any batteries?
Yes, this is also a good question because we see Philippine clients. They have a lot of battery choice. So for now, we had already open our inverter protocol, so it can support with the other third-party battery.
So installation is very easy. You told me it would just take me 30 minutes to install this one without the help of engineer.
Yes.
What if something goes wrong and I don't have an engineer? I'm not an engineer.
Yeah, good question. Actually, for now in Philippine market, we have 4 local service partners, 2 based in Manila, 1 based in Cebu, and 1 based in Davao. If something happens on the system, you just call the hotline of them, and they will respond within 24 hours, and they can solve the issues within 48 hours to guarantee the client's profit.
Really?
Yes.
They can see the issue of my inverter even remotely?
Yes. Actually, when something happens for the system, firstly on the screen there will be alarm code. So when you call the hotline, you just inform our technical team what kind of error code on your screen, and they will give such kind of related solution. Yeah.
Ayan, sobrang dami ng tao dito sa Sungrow. Ang dami na rin talaga nag-i-inquire dahil nga dito sa kanilang pinaka-latest na inverter. Tapos yung inverter nila mismo, etong pinakita nila sa atin kanina, sobrang compact lang niya, ang liit lang niya. Tapos pwede siya mag-fit sa inyong mga storage, o kaya sa inyong mga rooms, di ba? Tapos yung sabi nila, mahina lang yung decibels niya, so perfect na perfect talaga. And kung makita niyo yung itsura niya, hindi talaga siya makaka-affect dun sa aesthetic ng inyong bahay. And also, ang pinakamaganda doon, tingin ko mga ka-best finds, because it supports third-party batteries, maganda yun kasi you have the option to upgrade in the future. Kasi minsan, kahit kami, nalilimitahan kami ng mga inverter na nagsusupport lang ng isang klaseng battery. Pero itong kanilang inverter, kahit anong batteries daw, pwede. Kasi maganda pa mga ka-best finds, touchscreen din yung control panel ng kanilang inverter. So, ito yung kanyang energy management na screen. So, touchscreen na tong dashboard na to. Dito makita nyo yung harvest ng solar nyo. Tapos meron siyang monitoring daily, monthly, yearly. O, diba sobrang high-tech? Tapos syempre, pag meron kang inverter na ganito sa bahay, nagagather siya ng solar energy sa morning, and at night, o di ba, wala ka ng problema, pwede mong magamit yung kanyang battery para magpa-run ng inyong mga aircon, fridge, o ng iba pang appliances. So may kuryente ka pa rin kahit mag-power outage, kahit mag-brown out pa yan, at kahit nasa gabi. Kaya mas tipid talaga. So yung visit natin ngayon sa Sungrow, mga ka-best find, sobrang refreshing siya. Tapos ang dami ko talagang natutunan. Ngayon na-realize ko, it's not just about going green, di ba? Yung renewable energy. Pero it's making your life easier and more reliable. Kumbaga, hindi ka na mamomroblema sa electricity mo, hindi ka na rin mamomroblema pag may mga power outages. So what really sold me was the seamless backup system. Imagine niyo pwedeng-pwede na palang i-install yung mga ganong inverter ng hassle-free. Hindi mo na kailangan ng mga engineers. Sabi nila, in as fast as 30 minutes, kaya nating i-install yun sa mga bahay natin. How about you mga ka-best finds? Nag-i-struggle din ba kayo sa patuloy na pagtaas ng kuryente natin ngayon? At yung mga surprise blackouts, lalo na ngayong panahon ng tag-ulan? At kino-consider nyo rin bang magpalagay ng solar system sa inyong mga tahanan for more stability and savings? I-share nyo naman sa akin mga ka-best finds. Ano bang mas nagmamatter sa inyo? Is it the price, the ease of use, yung madali lang gamitin, or kung paano siya mag-fit sa inyong bahay? So kung nagustuhan nyo rin ang video natin ngayon regarding dito sa solar energy, huwag nyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated pag may mga videos tayo katulad nito. And i-follow nyo rin po kami sa aming Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And we'll see you again next vlog, ka-best find. God bless po sa inyong lahat!